Open-plan living is highly desirable, but sometimes you need privacy, structure, or just a visual break from one area to another. Room dividers are the ultimate design secret weapon, transforming vast, undefined spaces into functional, distinct zones without the commitment of construction. Let's explore 7 ways to strategically partition your home, enhancing both utility and aesthetic appeal. Number 1. Industrial chic, metal and glass partitions. For maximizing light flow while maintaining a clear structural delineation, nothing beats the elegance of Crittall-style or industrial metal and glass dividers. These offer the illusion of a solid wall without blocking natural light, making them perfect for separating a dining area from a formal living room, or creating an enclosed home office that still feels connected to the rest of the home. They deliver sophisticated architectural impact. Number 2. The dual-purpose library, open shelving systems. Open-backed or partially backed shelving units are perhaps the most practical divider solution. They serve 2 vital functions: storage and separation. Because light and air can pass through, they don't feel heavy, and they offer valuable surface area accessible from both sides. Style them with books, plants, and meaningful decor to showcase your personality while neatly defining the space. Number 3. Botanical barriers, living plant walls or trellises. Introduce biophilic design into your space by using nature as the barrier. A freestanding metal trellis covered in climbing plants, or even a tiered shelving unit dedicated solely to large, leafy, potted plants, creates a fresh, vibrant, and surprisingly effective screen. This option is excellent for improving air quality and lending a lush, organic feel to any urban environment. Number 4. The woven wonder, rattan and natural fiber screens. If flexibility and texture are your priorities, a traditional folding screen made from natural materials like rattan, bamboo, or woven grass delivers. These lightweight, portable panels are ideal for temporary needs, like concealing a messy corner or sectioning off a sleeping area in a studio apartment. They add instant warmth, sound absorption, and a textural, bohemian aesthetic. Number 6. Textile tactics, ceiling-mounted curtains. Curtains offer the softest, most versatile, and often the most budget-friendly solution. By installing a continuous track directly into the ceiling, you can hang sheer fabrics for subtle separation or heavy velvets for full blackout and sound dampening. This method is fantastic for large studios or creating temporary guest quarters, providing customizable coverage instantly. Number 7. The artful accent, repurposed and screened panels. For a truly unique, personality-driven divider, look beyond standard furniture. Repurpose materials like old decorative shutters, carved wooden panels, or even laser-cut plywood sheets. These can be hinged together or suspended from the ceiling to create a beautiful, custom centerpiece that functions as both art and a spatial partition, allowing filtered visibility.